Effects on current development in any nation. Disasters can have very serious effects on their current developmental plans. The disaster may stall the contemporary progress and development, and it may take quite some time before the economy is put to track. These effects will be evident in both revenue earning and infrastructure areas. Some such effects include the following. A. Loss of crops. Standing crops could be seriously damaged. In some instances, crops that have been developed over a period of time could be destroyed. For instance, when the tsunami struck the Indian coasts, it destroyed large tracts of coconut plantations in southern parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. B. Loss of livestock. Loss of livestock due to natural disasters or through outbreak of animal disease could devastate valuable national resources and spell doom to the farmers, especially small and marginal. For instance, large number of poultry was lost due to avian flu or was culled to prevent its spread in India in 2013 and 2014. This led to large-scale losses to livestock farmers. Technical publications and upthrust for knowledge. Disaster management. 3 to 4 Interrelationship between disasters and development. C. Degradation of land. Land inundated by a cyclonic storm surge or tsunami could be subjected to salinization. This could have severe adverse consequences to the food security of the communities. Example of this disaster includes the farmlands in West Bengal that were inundated by saline water when the cyclone Ayala struck, and the fields of Kerala and Tamil Nadu when the tsunami struck its coastal areas. Droughts could also result in degradation of soil, making the fields severely affected and making it unsuitable to grow crops. These disasters could have immediate effect on the domestic and export markets. D. Infrastructure loss. Loss of infrastructure due to disasters could cripple the society. Some such losses include: A. Loss of roads and bridges. Such losses would curb transportation and also delay ongoing construction and other programs. B. Loss of buildings and facilities. Losses to buildings, machinery, etc. can hamper developmental activities and the conduct of business, commerce and other social security schemes. C. Damage to harbors, wharfs and landing yards. Such damages will hit the maritime transport capability, drastically restricting transportation and commercial activities. D. Loss to airport and aircrafts. These losses will also create serious constraints, as in the case of maritime loss. In addition to affecting coconut oil output, the destruction also resulted in destruction of the source of production, the coconut trees. This could also include loss to agricultural implements, equipment, facilities and so on. 3.1.2 Effects on long-term development. Disasters can have a cascading effect on ongoing programs and could adversely affect the long-term interests of the society. A disaster could lead to material and economic losses. Such losses could cause delays in upstream projects and programs. Another effect is the loss of viability of the disaster-affected income-generating schemes. Technical publications and upthrust for knowledge. Disaster management. 3 to 5 Interrelationship between disasters and development. For instance, a disaster-stricken coconut plantation could require near to a decade to be replaced. By this time, the commercial viability of the plantation would have been lost due to change in demand, tastes or even loss of customers to other competitors. There is also the danger of long-term unsuitability of land areas. There could be the cost of relocating of the communities involved. Another major long-term effect includes deprivation of vital resources, which could affect developmental process.